Correctly using a forklift to lift and move your PV pallets will help ensure personnel are kept safe and your panels stay intact. Let's look at a few do's and don'ts when using a forklift with PV pallets. When attempting to enter the long fork pockets, don't use the standard 40 by 48 inch forks. Use fork extensions to ensure the pallets are fully supported by the fork. Next, do not attempt to rotate PV pallets with the forklift. If they need to be rotated, lift them properly with the forks and move them into the desired location. When stacking PV pallets, ensure the forks are level with the pallet base. Don't allow forks to enter at an angle that is too high or too low, or you risk damaging panels or causing injuries. Lastly, always make sure the forks are fully inserted into the fork pockets before lifting or moving a pallet. Remember, use a forklift correctly when lifting or moving PV pallets so that your personnel are kept safe and your panels stay intact. If you have any questions, contact us. Thank you for using PVpallet.